guys, I'm coming. I'm changing things up a bit again. Good morning, everyone. Oh, Marty, you're messing up going in the house, but yeah, Morris and the chicken, they need me. Come here, Morris. Hi. Here you go, Morris. Hey, bud. Good morning. So just west of us, they've had 3 inches of rain already this morning. Like literally 15 miles west of us, we haven't had that. Hi, bud. Good morning. Stripe's in the house, so you just come right on over and get it. We had close to 2/10 of an inch yesterday, and so far today, about 1/10. So, but it's going to be like this all day, low 70s, drizzle, chance of some heavier rain, you know. Okay, let me move so you can come eat. You're awfully loud. Like I said, somehow because of the rain, Marty and Stripe have gotten back inside. I do see the bird feeders need some seed. The birds are hitting them non-stop. The suet, the bird feeder, the blue feeder, non-stop. And I've been replacing the squirrel corn log over there by the carport frequently also, and putting some seed and peanuts in the holder. But there's no camera over there, and I do go a day or two and not look at that one because it's just kind of out of the way. Well, I consider these days restful, calm, and peaceful. I like it when it's drizzly and rainy and cloudy, actually. So it's nice. Hey there, Gray. Hi. Hello. There you go. How are you doing this morning? You good? When Johnny was home for a few minutes yesterday, he did come in and sit with her. I'm sure it's confusing when her people swap places and come and go, but she seems to be happy with both of us. Whichever one will come and sit with her and let her walk all over us and get in our lap and purr and chew on us and rest her head on our arm, and Johnny and I seem pretty interchangeable for her, so that's good at least. And I'm sure it's still confusing. You know, as a testament to how much rain we've had this summer, the creek still has a lot of water in it in August, which is pretty unusual. Yeah, I mean, there have been many in August that the creek bed would be entirely dry. Well, you can't see so good on this side because of the weed pulling this weekend, but you can definitely tell over here. And then down. You know, it's got a lot of water in it for August. Don's got a noon conference call, so we got to get out of here to go work out pretty quick. I got 10-15 minutes we need to be out the door. It looks like my string and my pole job did pretty good this summer, and keeping this looking nice, the deer not running through it, wind not putting it on the ground. And I've had, flower spikes continue to come out. I guess the top, of this maple took a little bit of a beating from Japanese beetles and summer heat. It's totally alive up there and a bud out next spring, so I'm not touching it. But it's a little rough up there. Basically, that one's going to end up looking like this one, so we're probably going to have to move it to a different spot. It's going to get too big for over there. Or I'm going to have to bonsai it. One of the two. I tried to tell Stripe not to go under the house. Tried to tell him no. Tried to call him back. And he insisted, so I shut the door and put him in the dark. And try to say, when Mom says don't go under here, don't go under here. He'll come out now. It's only been under there 5 minutes. How about we come out? Good boy. Come on. Good boy. This is where I keep the seed. So I'm under here for a minute every morning, but I don't want Mr. Man getting left under here by accident. Hopefully he didn't like getting shut down there, and next time he'll think twice about going under. Probably not, but maybe he's under my legs. Yeah, if you go to see Marty and let me walk, that would be good. I'm being careful with what I touch after I touch the red hot suet seed. I need to go rinse my fingers off, although I just barely touch. I'm fine as long as I just touch it with the tips and wash. No problems, but I can't stick my fingers down there and totally coat my hand with water and seed after a rain and expect to not have issues. Well, I think we got up here when we needed to. We should be able to be home in time for Dawn's conference call. It's raining just a little bit. Not bad though, not bad. I'm overjoyed to go in there and pedal for 30 minutes and do other stuff. Just overjoyed. Right, Donnie? Are you overjoyed too?
Oh, absolutely overjoyed. That's the word for it.
I was just going to make the comment that this car doesn't have any rainbow glass. I didn't expect that it would, but since it's the perfect day to look. Yep, no rainbow glass. Me and my Lego helper are back working on the Grand Hotel. I'll be putting in the fancy staircase here in a bit. Well, everything's coming along nicely. This side over here is 100% done. It's the, you know, breakfast entertainment kind of area. Turned out pretty darn cool. It looks like my green square and my pink panels aren't going to be here until Friday. So that's kind of a bummer because I'm almost to the point where I can't keep going. But there are some things to build and get ready to go for this section. So I'll work on that tomorrow. I don't quite have enough tiles to do back here. So I'm not sure if I'm of the light aqua color. I might just do it all in turquoise, or I might order some, or I'm not sure.